Here's the recipe for pumpkin spice cream cheese-filled muffins. In a small bowl, beat the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract together until smooth and creamy. Set aside. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, pumpkin spice, and salt. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar together until light and fluffy. Add the egg, pumpkin puree, and vanilla extract to the butter mixture and mix until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Spray your muffin pans with nonstick spray. Spoon a little batter into each muffin cup. Add a dollop of that delicious cream cheese mixture. Cover it with a bit more batter. Bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. You can find this recipe and more at bellalafay.com. Watch this video next.